It's 4 a.m. I don't want to be up, but here we go. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. It is 4:24 a.m. We're getting ready to go to the gym. I'm just getting have my water ready. I'm gonna fill my water. Hold on. We're 18 minutes in, but I'm dying already. It is probably like 6 a.m. right now, 6 something. I'm currently making breakfast. So today's workout was actually not bad. My husband and I decided that we're not gonna go super hard so that we don't get sick, because I'm prone to throwing up if I overwork myself. It's happened multiple times. So we just kind of took a little bit of a light workout today. I'm heating up some rice. I'm making up some eggs with some cheese in it. I'm gonna put some tostadas as well in it and some ketchup, and that's pretty much gonna be our breakfast. I'm gonna shower in a bit and start my morning. So see you in a bit.
I didn't think it was in a PM, so it was 5 in the morning.